Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to sort in Google Sheets. So first select the area of your table which you want to sort, then go to Data and Sort Range. Here click on Advanced Range Options. If your table has a header row, then select Data has header row, and now you can sort it by date, name, money. So basically everything that you have in your header row will appear here. So let's say I want to sort it by money. Now you can sort it from A to Z or from Z to A. So let's choose A to Z and press sort. Right now you can see that the table is sorted from the lowest to the highest money, and I can go right back to data, sort range, advanced, and sort it from Z to A. Right now it is reverse. I can sort it by whatever I want. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.